Hello there, wonderful people. Ever pondered what can happen in a mere second? That's right, one measly second. You know, the amount of time it takes for you to blink or for a hummingbird to flap its wings around 50 times. It's a flash, a heartbeat, a moment so brief we often don't give it a second thought. But what if I told you that in this seemingly insignificant speck of time, a universe of activities is taking place? From the minuscule to the massive, from the mundane to the mind-boggling, each second is a hotbed of action, of life, of existence. We're about to embark on a journey, an exploration into the realm of the ultra-fast, the domain of the blink and you'll miss it. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating, the intriguing, the downright astounding world of a single second. So, ready to discover the marvels of a single second? Imagine this scenario. You're sitting in a room, casually scrolling through your phone. The room is bathed in the soft glow of an afternoon sun with the distant hum of city life filtering in through the window. The scent of a freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, and the rhythmic tapping of your fingers on the screen creates a steady soundtrack to your day. It's a moment of peace, a pause in the whirlwind of life. Here, time seems to stretch out lazily, with each minute feeling like an eternity. But what if we take a closer look at these moments? Not at the minutes, not even at the seconds, but at the fractions of a second. If we slow down time and zoom in on just 1 second, what would we see? Would it still be the same serene picture? Or would we find a world buzzing with activity? But what if we slow things down and focus on just 1 second? Let's dive into the world of a single second. Time, as we understand it, is a human-made concept to keep track of our lives. We've divided it into hours, minutes, and seconds. But what exactly is a second? It's the ticking of a stopwatch, a precise and unchanging rhythm that underpins our existence. Now imagine we're at the countdown. 3, 2, 1, and there it is. That 1 second. It might seem insignificant, but within this tiny slice of time, a whirlwind of activity unfolds. First, let's consider our brains. In just 1 second, our neurons are firing away, processing information at an astonishing rate. Thoughts flicker in and out of existence, decisions are made, and memories are formed. All in the blink of an eye. Then there's our heart, that tireless worker. It beats once, maybe twice in a second. With each beat, it pushes life-giving blood throughout our bodies, fueling our every move. But let's not stop there. Let's zoom out, way out. In 1 second, light travels an astounding 186,282 miles. That's enough to wrap around the Earth 7.5 times. And what about the cosmos? In the universe's vast expanse, stars are born and die, galaxies spin, and celestial bodies move in their orbits, all within this single second. Incredible, isn't it? All these events packed into 1 second. From the micro to the macro, from our bodies to the bounds of the universe, a second is so much more than a tick on a clock. It's a testament to the ceaseless march of existence, a moment teeming with life, action, and change. So the next time you glance at your watch, remember each second that passes is a miracle in itself. Now let's bring this home and see how a second impacts our everyday life. Picture this, you're driving down the road, and suddenly a ball bounces out in front of your car. Without even thinking, your foot slams on the brakes. This split-second decision could potentially save a life. What's fascinating here is the speed of our reactions. In that crucial second, our brain processes the sight of the ball, the potential danger, and sends a signal to our foot to hit the brakes. All of that happens in less than a second. So remember, a second in our life can be the difference between safety and disaster. But let's not only think about the dramatic moments. Let's consider those ordinary, everyday seconds that we often take for granted. In a single second, you could type a letter on your keyboard, blink your eyes, or take a step forward. These actions might seem mundane, but they're the building blocks of our lives. They're the small steps that lead to big achievements. And then there are those magical moments that happen in a heartbeat, the split second when you catch someone's eye and feel a spark of connection. The instant when an idea pops into your head, an idea that could change your life, the moment when you say yes to a new opportunity, a new adventure, a new love. These precious seconds are the moments that define us. They're the moments that remind us to seize the day, to live in the present, to make every second count. After all, life is made up of seconds. and every one of them is a chance to make a difference, to make a change, to make a memory. So the next time you think a second is insignificant, remember how much can happen in that brief moment, whether it's a mundane task, a life-saving reaction, or a magical moment. Every second holds potential. It's up to us to seize that potential, to seize the day, to seize the second. After all, who knows what could happen in the next 1 second? So that was our fascinating journey through a single second. We began with a scene so mundane, a person sitting in a room scrolling through their phone, but each tick of the clock unveiled a world of action hidden within a fleeting moment. We witnessed the rapid firing of neurons in the brain, the heartbeat that pumps life through our bodies, and the incredible speed at which light travels. We even touched upon the cosmic events unfolding in the universe, all in the space of 1 second. We then connected this abstract concept of a second to our everyday experiences, reminding ourselves of the crucial decisions we make in a split second, like hitting the brakes while driving. It's a testament to the power of seizing the moment and making the most of every second. Now the question is, what will you do with your next 1 second?